Question 44 of the JAMB 2015 math exam. We're asked to find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix, which has the values 0, 3, and 2 in row 1, 1, 7, and 8 in row 2, and 0, 5, and 4 in row 3. So there are a couple of ways to solve this type of problem. And in previous examples, I've shown the other approach that I use to solve this type of problem. So let's look at the second way to do this. So to save you a little time, I've drawn a couple of diagrams here to illustrate the way you handle the calculation of the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. What you do is you take the values in the first row, one at a time, and then you combine them in a certain way with all the remaining values that are not in the same row and column as that value. So for example, if we pick 0 here, we're going to combine it with the 7, 8, 5, and 4 because those values are not in the same row or column as 0. And the way you're going to combine it is as follows. The determinant of A is equal to 0 times the determinant of this smaller matrix. 7, 8, 5, 4. And then you're going to now subtract by 3 times the determinant of the smaller matrix, which is 1, 0, 8, 4. And then you're going to add, so notice how the signs are going from positive to negative to positive. 2 times 1, 7, 0, 5. And that's the answer. So since we're multiplying by 0, we know this first term is going to be 0, so let's not waste our time there. Now we're going to be subtracting it by 3 times. You multiply the values on this side, and you subtract them by the values going this way. Right? So it's going to be 3 times 1 times 4, which is 4, minus 0 times 8, which is 0. Then for this last term, it's going to be equal to 2 times 1 times 5, which is 5, minus 0 times 7, which is 0. So the determinant of A is equal to, 0 minus 12 plus 10, which is equal to minus 2.